You, McDonald's.
Oh, okay.
You. You. You.
Large orange juice, 717. Large orange juice. Here you go. Thank you. Help you.
Yeah, DoorDash.
Okay.
There you go.
DoorDash. Wow.
214.
Chocolate milk.
Strawberry side.
Chocolate milk.
Oh,
Yeah. So cool.
after this one, I'll tap into what it's called. On the side. Right there. Very beautiful box.
Like, it's an egg. We have to wait. Yeah, bacon. We got the bacon. Yeah. Bacon and egg goodness. Yeah.
Hello, baby.
Abraham Lincoln. I hate Abraham Lincoln.
Thank you.
Yeah. QR code. Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, okay.
That's a cold drink, right, babe?
Yeah. So where's that you're showing me? Come on, King. Focus. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Wow. Go ahead, King.
Yeah. Seatbelt.
Yeah. Wow. I wish you'd always say. Because it's stockpiling out. You know? Always I go use, I go do, I go do this.